In Nepal, if adults are incarcerated, the children are sent into the prisons to live, usually with their moms. Hi, my name is Shahril and I'm from Air Amber. We work to positively impact communities through the co-creation of enterprise ventures, community building initiatives, as well as social impact education. Today, Air Amber works with communities both in Singapore and abroad. For overseas projects, we do work with several communities. The community in Nepal are essentially children who are living in prisons. There's not much facilities that are available to them. The prisons are usually pretty crowded and they don't get opportunities for education. An amazing lady, her name is Pushpa Besnet, she started to take the kids out of prison and she runs a home called the Butterfly Home. We had one question for them. When they were in prisons, what was that one thing they wanted? And they shared that they actually wanted children's storybooks. It was a great way for them to expand their imagination out of the prison walls. What we had suggested was, why don't you guys write your stories and share these stories? You've come so far, you're going to inspire a lot of people. So we got into a brainstorming session, we got down the ideas, we got down the timelines, we signed our agreement in crayon, and that began a year-long process of developing what we've now called the Butterfly Books. The Butterfly Books are a series of 6 value-based children's storybooks that are inspired by true life events that the youth went through, and the whole series is fully illustrated by them. This was what we mean when we talk about human dignity, and that is when a beneficiary has transitioned to become a contributor. And with the books now, not only have they contributed the stories, but with the proceeds of the book, a significant amount goes back to the community to drive the work that they're doing in the prisons. Air Amber first began because of a great friendship. My co-founder, Suraj, had just come back from Calcutta in India where he visited the brothels. He made great friends with some of the kids there, and when I heard the story, we were saying that, oh, we should go to Calcutta and live there, save the kids. And so we began sharing the stories with friends and family. We were sharing in schools, we shared over the radio as well. We came to a point where we were asking ourselves, what actually are we doing? And we came up with this mission statement where our mission was to restore and protect human dignity. And so we began our work in different communities. One of the biggest initiatives that we're working on in Singapore today is an intergenerational innovation. For the last 3 years, we were running an innovation center embedded in an elder care. We got to know that many of our elderly friends, they're very hands-on, so they like to play with Lego. Some of them have enhanced dementia. So what they tend to do is to put the Lego pieces into their mouth by mistake. We wanted to allow them to continue playing, to continue being creative. That whole process of piloting and experimenting with them brought to fruition what we have now, which is GIGI Blocks. These are huge Lego blocks made of sustainable cardboard, where it's used as a creative engagement tool. They would first have to fold the blocks, and that would help with fine motor skills. They would actually have to learn how to fold it, and hence that would work on their cognition, and then they can be creative and create their structures with those blocks. It's always a huge learning curve, whichever space that we go into, and that makes the work exciting. My greatest hope for Amber is that we continue to build more bridges with communities, continue to build and invest in more enterprise ventures, working with these communities, trying to find the talent, the potential, the endless possibilities that are out there together with them, and to journey with them. If you don't have an open mindset, it's very difficult to be innovative and creative in your social venture. Go out there and try your idea. Be open to learning. Don't be afraid to fail. Just go out there and do your thing.